Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy SafeMoon coin with Trust Wallet. Now the first thing I want you to do is just go ahead and open up your Trust Wallet, and here we are on the home section under crypto. If we scroll down, right, if you see your SafeMoon coin here, that's perfect. Or you can tap here on Manage Crypto, search up your coin, right? For example, let's say Shiba. You just toggle it on. Make sure you're using the correct network that you want. So we have Ethereum, we have BNB Smart Chain. Just toggle that crypto, whatever crypto you want. Toggle it on. If you go back to the home page, you'll see that crypto listed. Okay, you can do this with any coin, even SafeMoon. You just go ahead and tap on your crypto, tap here on buy, enter the amount, hit buy now, and then you can come here, change your payment method as well. Right now it's set to Google Pay. You can go ahead and click on the drop down, choose another payment method. All right, we'll stick with Google Pay, but you just proceed with the purchase. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.